So you're thinking about buying a house, but you keep hearing things like conventional loan, VA loan, FHA loan, and even USDA loan, but you don't know which one is right for you. Well, we're going to talk about that right now. Hi there, I'm Janny, Realtor and Broker Associate at Home Legacy Realty, and I help people just like you buy and sell real estate in Southwest Florida. If you're new here, consider subscribing because I post all about Southwest Florida real estate and living in the area. And don't forget to hit that notification bell because you'll be the first to know when I post a new video. In this video, we're going to talk all about the different types of loans and which one might be right for you. Today, I'm here with Chris, and he's going to talk to you all about it.
I'm Chris Fulton with Movement Mortgage. A lot of my customers ask me what loan type is right for me. Maybe you just don't even know there are different loan types. So the first mortgage type is conventional loans. So that's the one you might hear, I need 20% down. And what that does is you get to avoid mortgage insurance when you put 20% down. But that's not the only thing that a conventional loan will do for you, okay? There are 5% down programs, 3% down for first-time home buyers. You can also buy a second home with conventional loans and an investment property. So when you think conventional loans, you think, I'm gonna live there. I can buy a second home or vacation home with a conventional loan, or I can buy an investment property. That's what you'd use conventional loans for. Now the next loan type would be FHA. So why would you want to use an FHA loan? So with an FHA loan, you have to live there, okay? There's no buying a second home or an investment property with FHA. One thing you can do with an FHA loan is you can buy up to a 4-unit property as long as you're living there and rent out the other 2 or 3 units.
Would this be a good one for a first-time home buyer?
It can be, yeah. Say if you wanted to buy a duplex and you were interested in having a renter to help pay your mortgage, a lot of first-time home buyers need that kind of help. And you can do that with FHA as long as you're going to live there. And the last thing about FHA loans is they only require 3.5% down payment.
So the next loan product is VA loan, and that is Chris's specialty.
So I'm a veteran, and I actually have a VA home loan on my house. So I'm very familiar with VA loans. They're great loan programs. I help a lot of veterans and even disabled veterans get special benefits that the VA offers.
Who qualifies for a VA loan?
So veterans, widows of veterans that passed away in the line of duty, sometimes wives that were on original loans when a veteran passed away, or husbands for that matter. As long as they were on the original loan with the veteran, then they can refinance a veteran's loan. One of the best things you might have heard about a veteran's loan or VA loan is they're 0% down in most cases. So you don't have to pay a down payment. You don't have to save, you don't need to get a gift or anything. So they're 0% down, and then you don't have to pay mortgage insurance. So 0 down, no mortgage insurance. What's the catch? Okay, so there is a there is a VA funding fee that you sometimes have to pay. It can vary depending on how much and how many VA loans you've had in the past. Sometimes if you're a disabled veteran, you can get that exempted, which is fantastic. When I talk about doing loans for disabled veterans, that's one of my favorite things, is to get rid of that VA funding fee. And so then they're 0 down, they don't have the funding fee, and you can actually get the sellers to pay up to 4% towards closing costs as well. So a lot of times the veterans won't come out of pocket with very much money.
So there are also other types of loans like USDA and government assistant type loans.
That's right. So there are other 0 down and government assistance available. Email me, text me, call me for more information on those.
That's right. If you have any more questions about all the different types of loans, you've got the VA loan, you've got conventional, FHA. For more info on which one is right for you, leave your questions in the comment section below and give Chris a call because I will link all of his info in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.